Good morning to all students. Today we discuss about the speed in downstream and upstreams of anything in water or other things. Here is one question taken from this type. Okay. Here Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. When any body moves toward the downstream, then the speed of a body and its current both are added. And if any body moves in upstream, then the speed of current opposed to the man or body, the speed of a body. Therefore, we consider the speed of a Ritu in still water x km per hour and the speed of current equal to y km per hour. If Ritu row in upstream, then the relative speed of upstream equal to x minus y km per hour. And when Ritu row in downstreams, then the relative speed in downstream equal to x plus y km per hour. Then we find the distance covered in a specified time. Here the time is given 2 hours. Therefore, distance covered in 2 hours in downstream equal to 2 into relative speed means x plus y equal to 20. After solving, we get x plus y equal to 10. This consider as equation number 1. Again, distance covered in 2 hours in upstreams, then 2 into relative speed in upstream, that means x minus y equal to 4. Therefore, after solving, we get x minus y equal to 2. This consider as equation 2. Now, we solve from equation number 1 and 2. Then, we here add both equations. X plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. Y cancel. Then 2x equal to 10. Therefore, x equal to 6 km per hour. Put the value of x in equation 1. Then what happened? This 6 plus y equal to 10. This implies y equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4 km per hour. Thus, the speed of rowing in a still water equal to 6 km per hour and the speed of the current equal to 4 km per hour. Start. Homework from this exercise 3.6. 2 women and 5 men can together finish a piece of embroidery in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the embroidery and the that taken by 1 man alone. Second question. Rohini travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately.